Tornado, a leading manufacturer of commercial and industrial cleaning equipment, is proud to present this instructional video for our BD144 compact automatic scrubber. When the machine arrives at your facility, it will come standard with a 24-volt sealed, maintenance-free battery system, a charger cable for the built-in charger, a solid steel squeegee assembly with squeegee blades installed, and a 14-inch brush. To install the brush, align the pins on the top of the brush with the slots in the mounting plate and give a quick turn in a clockwise direction to seat the brush. To remove the brush, grasp the brush with your hands at the 9 and 3 position and simply give it a quick turn in a counterclockwise direction. The brush should fall off into your hands. To prepare the batteries for operation, you will need to connect the 4 red Anderson plugs. The batteries and the Anderson plugs for the unit are located under the recovery tank. Connect the Anderson plugs as shown. Adjust the handle to a comfortable operating position. To adjust the handle, simply pull up the height adjustment lever on the left side of the unit and pull backwards. Once in a comfortable position, let go of the lever. Fill the solution tank. The solution tank can be filled at the front of the unit. Turn on the unit, and then activate the brush, vacuum, and solution. Lower the squeegee blade. To lower the squeegee blade, pull down on the lever in the center of the handle. To raise the squeegee after operation is complete, simply pull up on the same lever. To begin cleaning, simply press forward on the brush control lever and push. By pressing forward on the brush control lever, you will activate both the brush and the solution. If you let go of the brush control lever, the brush and water will stop running. When approaching obstacles or near walls, it is possible to simplify the handling of the machine by adjusting the handlebar more vertically with respect to the machine. To rotate the handlebar, lift up on the release lever. Rotate the handlebar into the new working position, keeping the release lever pulled. Release the lever to lock the handlebar. This operation is also possible with the machine in motion by temporarily holding the handlebar release levers. Once the obstacle has been passed, return to the previous working position. After you are finished operating the BD144, the following steps should be done to ensure maximum machine efficiency and life cycle. To drain the solution tank, remove the drain plug located on the left side of the solution tank. Use care to make sure the O-ring in the drain plug cap is not lost when removing the cap. Allow clean water to run through the solution tank by dumping water into the tank with the drain plug cap removed. This will remove any solution residue from the tank. Allow the solution tank to air dry prior to next use. Drain the recovery tank. To prevent unpleasant odors in the recovery tank must be thoroughly rinsed after each and every use. To rinse the tank, remove the hoses from the recovery tank, unlock the blocking levers, and remove the float assembly. Dump any recovered liquid into a sink, floor drain, or any other approved location. Rinse the recovery tank twice and allow to air dry before the next use. The float and float filter also need to be rinsed at the same time as the recovery tank. This will ensure that the float moves freely on the float rod. Remove the brush and rinse with clean water. After rinsing, leave the brush off the unit for storage. Clean the squeegee blade assembly. To clean the squeegee blade, remove the squeegee blade assembly from the unit. To do this, you must first turn the 2 inner knobs counterclockwise. Second, remove the squeegee hose from the squeegee assembly. Once the assembly has been removed, clean the blades and the area between them by running the complete assembly underwater. Also, check the squeegee throat for clogs and remove them if necessary. Periodically, you will have to clean the rear squeegee blade. To do so, first remove the squeegee assembly. Second, release the catch on the end of the retainer strap and unhook the strap from the squeegee assembly. Clean the squeegee blade with a cloth. The BD144 is designed to be stored on the rear back area. There are 2 small bumper pads on the back panel for this purpose. Both the solution and recovery tanks must be emptied before storage. To store the unit, activate the handle release and fold the handle completely over the tanks and lock it in this position. Lift the unit onto its back by lifting both the handle and the brush cover. Remember to store the unit with the brush off and the tanks opened. Charging the machine and battery care. The BD144 uses high-performance, sealed, maintenance-free batteries to power the unit. To get the most out of your batteries and to prolong their life cycle, the unit should be charged after every use. There is no need to wait until the end of your shift or drain the battery completely before charging the unit. To charge the batteries, use the cord provided. Plug one end of the cord into the outlet on the machine and the other end into any 110-volt wall outlet. The charger is fully automatic and will turn off when complete. Thank you for purchasing Tornado's BD144. For service, call 1-800-822-8867.